guys, I am starting integration miscellaneous exercise. This question we will solve using by partial fractions. So I will show you how that method is used. So this can be factorized. I can take x common, 1 minus x square. This can be further factorized, x into 1 minus x into 1 plus x, correct? 1 square minus x square is what? We can write 1 minus x and 1 plus x. So I used it. If you have to integrate it, it's very difficult to integrate. So what we will do? We will use partial fractions. So that is how we use partial fractions. 1 minus x, 1 plus x. So a by x, okay, b by 1 minus x, right, plus c by 1 plus x. Now see carefully how to solve it, how to find ABC. We multiply both sides with this denominator, left side whatever it is in denominator, multiply by this here, here, here and here, everywhere. Let me show you how. So this was the question, correct? So a by x, leave some space, b by 1 minus x, leave some space, 1 plus x. So I am multiplying this term everywhere, correct? X into 1 minus x, 1 plus x. Here also 1 minus x, 1 plus x. Here, so I multiplied everywhere, correct? Now see here, this whole term will cancel. Here x will cancel. Here 1 minus x and here 1 plus x will cancel. Okay. So what is left? Let me write down. Here everything cancelled, correct? So this is 1 is equal to a times 1 minus x, 1 plus x, b times x into 1 plus x, c into x into x is there, x into 1 minus x. Fine. Multiply further is equal to a into, what is this? What is this into this? 1 minus x square. This is x plus x square. This is c into x minus x square. Correct? After this, can I write a minus ax square, bx plus bx square, cx square. What I did? I just multiplied a inside here and here, then b here and here, and then c here and here. So I am getting this equation. Now thing is how to calculate a, b, c. So for that we write down compare coefficients. Write down compare coefficients. Coefficients of maybe x square or maybe constant. So if you see carefully, x square coefficient is this and this. And here there is nothing, here nothing. So can I write 0 is equal to minus a plus b minus c, first equation, correct? Now let's see here, what is coefficient of x? B, c, and here is nothing, okay? So can I write 0 is equal to b, coefficient of x, plus c, this is equation 2, okay? Can I write this? Now let's see next coefficient. A alone, here is anything else is there? Nothing else. So here constant is a. So can I write 1 is equal to a, equation 3. If I solve these three, so I will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 by 2 and c is equal to minus half. You can try to solve and see it. Okay. Once I know ABC, this ABC we can put here. ABC we can put here in this equation and then integrate it. Correct? It will be 1 by x, b is 1 by 2 1 minus x And what is C? Minus 1 by 2, 1 plus x, which is much easier to integrate now. So this method is called partial fraction. The partial fractions made a very complicated function. This x into 1 minus x into 1 plus x has broken it into 3 separate functions, which is easy to integrate now. Okay, so let me write it here. This will become integration of 1 by x plus integration of 1 by 2, 1 minus x plus integration of, this will be minus of 1 by 2, 1 plus x. So this question became this now, and which is very easy to integrate. We already know what is integration of 1 by x. Let me do it here. Okay, what is integration of 1 by x? The formula is log of x. Okay, so if you have done previously other exercises, you will know integration of this is this 1 by 2. For 1 minus x will be log of 1 minus x, and then integrate whatever is the coefficient of x comes down, which is minus 1 minus half log of 1 plus x. And what is the coefficient of x will come down? 1 plus c. This is my final answer. Hope you got it. Let's do next question. So this is question number 2 from miscellaneous. Whenever we see under root, mostly rationalization will work. Most of the time this will work. Rationalization. In rationalization, what do? We pick the opposite sign. This is plus. Let's take opposite sign. Okay. So this is opposite sign in between, and multiply up and down. So x plus a plus root of x plus b into root of x plus a minus root of x plus b dx. Okay, what I did here is the plus. So I selected minus and minus sign and multiplied. Perfect. Let's do x plus a under root x plus b dx. What it is looking like? Isn't it looking like a plus b and a minus b? See here carefully. This plus this and this minus this. Isn't it looking like that? So what it will be? If it is root a, root b, root a, root b, it will become root a square minus root b square. Correct? So what will happen? Root and root will disappear. A minus b. This will happen. Right? So when I do root a plus root a minus root b, we get a minus b. So I am doing that here. A plus b, okay, minus of x plus b. Fine. Now what to do? See here. If I open this, what it will become? Isko kholenge to x plus a as it is. If you open this, this will become minus x minus b. So this x and x cancel. And what we are getting here, instead of this, we are getting a minus b. So my question became now, integration of root of x plus a, root of x plus b by a minus b. Correct? It is clear yahan tak? See, a, b, c, ये सब क्या है मैथ्स में? These all are considered as constant. तो a minus b को can I take out? A minus b. So it is root of x plus a minus root of x plus b. Or we can write together only. So this can be written as a minus b x plus a power half minus x plus b power half. And what is integration of power half? Everybody knows power half is power 3 by 2 minus x plus b power half integration is 3 by 2 plus c. This is my answer. I hope you understood. So let me just quickly tell which formula I am using here. Integration of root x is integration of power half. Correct? Power half. And what is the formula? Power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c, which comes out to be x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. And this is the formula that I am using here. Okay. You solve it once again. Same question. We'll do next. In this question थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा. सोचिए क्या कर सकते हैं. Let me try under root of in these two try to take x square common. Okay, so x square common when we take, inside it is divided. Correct? X square by x square, it is divided. So what it will become? X square, this x and x cancel, a by x minus 1 cancel हो गया. Correct? Now what? So this will be dx by, this is under root of x square. So this can come out. So x, this x was already there. This one was already there. And this x square will come out. So ये हो जाएगा x. And under root is a by x minus 1. It is still under root. A by x. Now what can we do? See, I am getting integration of dx x square under root of a by x minus 1. Okay. Can I take a by x as t? Let's see. So what will be the derivative of both sides? Next step is differentiate. Both sides we can differentiate. So it will be a derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square dx is dt. And see here, this we have dx by x square we have already. Okay, so we can use it. कर सकते हैं use. तो dx by x square is dt by minus a. Correct? ये a इधर आ गया minus a. तो ये क्या हो गया? ये वाला part. This part became minus of dt by a. Correct? Dx by x square. This part became dt by a with minus sign. And this became root of t minus 1. I think it's fine. So what we can do is minus 1 by a integration of t minus 1 power minus half dt. This is the question now. Minus half. So integration of x n का क्या है formula? X raised to power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. ये है formula. Okay. तो पावर माइनस हाफ का क्या होगा? माइनस हाफ का क्या होगा? x raised to power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1 plus c. Correct? Which is how much? If we see, which is nothing but x raised to power half by half plus c, which is nothing but 2 under root of x plus c. So basically integration of x power minus half is this. So I can use this here. Minus 1 by a into 2 root of t minus 1 plus c. And there is no coefficient of t. है ना? t का कोई coefficient नहीं है, तो there is nothing to divide. Usually in integration, whatever is the coefficient of t or x, that is divided. Here there is nothing to divide. My answer will be 2 by a under root of t. What was t basically? T was a by x minus 1 plus c. This is my answer. ठीक है, ये था थर्ड. फोर्थ देखते हैं. ये क्वेश्चन बोर्ड के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. देखिए कैसे करना है. सोचिए क्या कर सकते हैं. dx x स्क्वायर, यहां पर पावर इज 3/4. पावर के अंदर ही, ठीक है, इनसाइड ओनली. कैन आई टेक x रेज टू पावर 4 कॉमन अंदर इसके? तो ये क्या आ जाएगा? 1 प्लस 1 बाई एक्स रेज टू पावर 4. करेक्ट. अभी हमने ये पावर के बाहर नहीं लिया है, अंदर ही है. ओके. नाउ इफ यू सी, दिस पावर विल गो टू दिस ऑल्सो एंड टू दिस ऑल्सो. पावर दोनों को पास होगी. इफ यू हैव a पावर n, तो इट इज a पावर n and b raised to power n. It goes to both. 3/4 दोनों को जाएगा, इसको भी और इसको भी. तो इधर देखिए dx बाई एक्स स्क्वायर x raised to power 4 पावर 3/4. ठीक है. 1 प्लस x raised to power 4 पावर 3/4. करेक्ट. अब क्या होगा? इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ dx बाई एक्स स्क्वायर. इधर देखिए दिस 4 and 4 will cancel. So we are getting x cube 1 plus x raised to power 4 power 3/4. फाइन. अब क्या करें? सोचिए. What can we do now? Integration of, will it become x raised to power 5 1 plus x4 power 3/4. ठीक है. So we have to think something जिसका derivative is present in the question itself. We have to think of something whose derivative is present in the question itself. So let me take this whole part as t. ठीक है, देखते हैं. तो 1 प्लस इज दिस t. ठीक है, ये t हो गया. तो व्हाट इज डेरिवेटिव? डिफरेंशिएट बोथ साइड. क्या होगा? 0 प्लस इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? -4 x raised to power 5 dx is dt. ठीक है. ओके. कैन आई राइट dx by x power 5 dt by -4? क्या किया? मैं -4 को नीचे ले आए. ठीक है, यहां तक. ओके. ये do you see dx by d5 is there in the question? Correct. So what the question will become? The question will become integration of dt by -4 into, ये क्या है? This what we have considered this. We have considered this as t. ठीक है, ये वाला. तो ये हो गया t raised to power 3/4. Correct. Now it's easy to integrate. Let me integrate it here. -1/4. This is integration of t raised to power -3/4 dt. And what is the formula? -3/4 plus 1. ठीक है, this is the basic formula plus c. This is the basic formula. If we solve this power, what this will become? This will become -1/4 t raised to power 1 by 4, 1 by 4 plus c. यहां तक ठीक है. अब क्या होगा? This 4 and 4 will cancel. तो ये होगा माइनस टी रेज टू पावर 1 by 4 plus c. बट ये t क्या था? अगर आप, if you remember, what was t? t was 1 plus x, 1 by x raised to power 4, right? And this is power 4 plus c. This is my final answer. जस्ट एक और क्वेश्चन करेंगे. ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है फ्रॉम मिसलेनियस. हियर पावर्स आर 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. इन एग्जाम पावर में भी 1 by 6, 1 by 7 और 1 by 8. कैसे करना है सोचिए. तो जो भी पावर है उसका आप एलसीएम ले लीजिए. तो एलसीएम ऑफ 2 and 3 is 6. Correct? So what can we do with this? Can I consider x as t raised to power 6? Can I consider? So what will be dx? Will be 6 t raised to power 5 dt. Okay है यहाँ तक? ठीक है? Okay. तो ये हो गया 6 t raised to power 5 dt. x क्या है? t raised to power 6. Correct? तो let me write power half t raised to power 1 by 3. ठीक है यहाँ तक? So now what can we do? If we simplify a little bit, so this will be 6 t raised to power 5 dt. This is t cube, है ना? This is power cancel 3 and this is 3 2s are 6. So this is t square. अब क्या कर सकते हैं? It's very interesting question. Can I take t square common यहाँ पर? ठीक है? 6 t raised to power 5 t square common आ सकता है. So we will have here t plus 1. Now can we cancel something? Yes. 5 and 2. So this will become t cube. So let me write 6 t cube dt by t plus 1. Fine. अब क्या करें? देखिए, न्यूमरेटर पावर is more. So whenever you have power of numerator is always more than power of denominator. Always. What do we do? There is a rule. जब भी in any algebraic function numerator power is more than denominator, what should we do? We should always divide. Yeah, so let me divide t plus 1 t cube. Let me divide. So what will be the division? It will be t square. I will select. So t cube plus t square minus minus. This will cancel. So I am getting minus of t square. Now what should we select for division? Say minus t. Okay. Now how to divide it? Minus t into this is minus t square. That's how we divide. Minus t. Fine. And then subtract. So subtraction means this will be plus and plus. This and this cancel. Left over is t. Now what should we choose? I can choose plus 1. Right? So this into this is t plus 1. Then minus. Subtract. Again t and t cancel and left over is 1. Okay. So this is my quotient. This is quotient and this is my remainder. So whenever we divide, how do we write? After division, we write like this: q plus remainder by denominator, जो भी था denominator. So here my quotient is t square minus t plus 1 minus remainder is how much? Minus 1 by denominator, which is this. So this is what I got after division. The important step is divide. So whenever numerator power is more than denominator, divide. And I got this. Now I am ready to integrate. After division, it's easy to integrate. The t square integration is t cube by 3 minus t square by 2. 1 integration is t minus 1 by, so its integration will be how much? Log of t plus 1 plus c. And don't forget, there was 6. Here it was 6. So I am writing that 6 in the beginning. Okay. And what was t? Where t was, actually t raised to power 6 was x. So t will be x raised to power 1 by 6. And that is what we can put here. Okay. Let me write down t. So what will be t square? X raised to power 1 by 3. And what will be 2t cube? X raised to power 1 by 2. You can write down where t is x raised to power 1 by 6, t square is this, and t cube is this. So if you put everything here, you will get the answer. Okay? So you can put everything here and get the answer. If you like the video, you can please share, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you.